Hello friends, hello everyone. My name is Aishwarya and welcome to my YouTube channel Statistics Series. So today in this video we will be learning about an important and very useful function in Excel, which is the filter function. So before actually demonstrating the filter function, I would like to give you an example. So majority of you know, most of you all know that which example means just a fun example like you have the box full of colorful balls and your cousin she came and she told you to please give me the balls which are of blue color. So there are mixed color balls, like there are blue balls, red balls, green balls. So she told you please give me the balls which are of blue color. So what you did, you one by one you went on taking the balls which are of blue color. So what you are doing, you're filtering, right? From all the mixture of balls, you're filtering out the blue ones. So in the same way, we apply filters. Why we apply filters? Based on one or more condition. Okay. So here there are two steps in this mechanism, right? What you're doing is first is you're applying the filters with the help of shortcut Control Shift L or from this place. You are applying the filters and then you're executing the filters. Executing in the sense one or more condition. That condition is linked with this particular sentence. Executing the filters. Executing the filters means on one or more columns you are filtering it. Now here, what I mean to say actually, I will just demonstrate and show it to you practically. So this is my hypothetical data which consists of 6 columns, that is batch number, date created, last modified, purchase order, Incoterms, shipment method. Now your client has told me, okay, my client has told me, please give me the data. Okay, please give me the data where shipment method is air. Okay, please give me the data where shipment method is air. So what I will do is, I will just apply the filter over here. Okay, filter. So what I have done, my first step is I have applied the filters. Now I need to execute the filters. Execute in the sense, the second point. What is the second point? The second point is he wants a shipment method of air. Okay. So I need to check the column. I need to check the column of shipment method. Where it is present, it is present in F column. So what you are doing is you are applying the filters. You are executing the filters. You have already applied the filters. You are executing the filters from this F column. Why? Because I need to extract the data based on that condition, and that condition is present in this F column only. So I will just unselect this and I will select air. So yes, this all we know, right? So this is the same. Why have why I'm demonstrating this? Because this all we have done. So this is the same mechanism which we are using in filter function. Just clear all the filters and then I will select filter. So now here I will show you the two scenarios, first scenario, second scenario, and about this there are three arguments, and about this if empty. I will talk about if empty at the last. First I will tell you the two scenarios. Now array is a selection. You can basically say array is a selection area. Okay, how much data we want in our output. So we just select this, the selection area, and yes, include is what your client told. He wants data where the shipment mode method is add. So my shipment method, I need to check for that column where this particular condition is present. It's present in F column. I need to select this whole column equal to air. We'll just mention my condition filter. Okay. So why I have selected from two? Because these are my headers. Okay. So this means this is the output. Okay. Now what we'll do is, now this was the first scenario. Second scenario is, now your client told you, he told you that I don't need this first 4 columns, I only need E and F. Okay, I only need E and F. So here my selection area is dynamic, In the first case, my selection area was from A2 to, like A2 to, means my, from column A to F. Okay. Okay. Now my client hadn't mentioned that he didn't put any condition that uh, I need these columns, I need that columns. He wanted data on based on one filter condition, that is air. We present it. Now he has came up with that I need only E and F columns, that is Incoterms and shipment method. So what I will do, my selection area is dynamic. Okay, I will just select this. I just select this much. Why? I need only 2 columns. My client needs only 2 columns, and my selection area was stored for 2 columns, and my include shipment method. Now he is telling me for ocean. So I will just press ocean. Okay. So this is for ocean. Got it? the selection area. You can tell array is the selection area. Okay, so now this was my second scenario. Okay, so what it is actually is, how it is working is, it is scanning row by row. It is scanning row by row. Okay, now here it is ocean. It is scanning row by row. If this is ocean, no. This is ocean, this is ocean, this is ocean, this is ocean. Okay, so wherever ocean it is scanning row by row. How many rows are present over here? 5,050 rows. So it is scanning one by one based on this condition, air, ocean, or truck. So three shipment methods are present in this. Okay. So this was my second scenario. Now I'll talk about if empty. If empty, the third argument, the last argument. Now, if suppose my client told filter, just restrict my constraint here. This is old column. Now he told something like ABC, something like ABC, which is not present in this column, which is not present in the filter condition. Means my filter column. It is not present. So what it will give? It will give me as calci error. Okay, calci error means calculation error. We get calculation error when we don't have any output based on that condition. Okay. So what I will do is, if we don't get any output related to that condition, we will just substitute it. It works like an if error. Okay, if empty. Okay. This was all about the filter function. Filter function array is a selection area. It is dynamic. You can based on how many columns or how much data we want. Okay. Second is include. Include in the sense that condition. Okay. Now suppose here might be something like color column. So someone told me please filter for pink color. So my color column will be that include one because my conditions are present in that column. Okay. And this works like if error. Okay, guys. Thank you.